Hi there, my name is Wendy Rosoff. If you're interested in being admitted to the performance degrees and certificates at AMDA College, it will require an audition. AMDA encourages all applicants to take advantage of our live in-person or virtual auditions. Our live auditions allow applicants to work directly with an AMDA audition coach. You can find a listing of those opportunities on our website at amda.edu/admissions/audition. But for those unable to attend our live auditions, we offer the ability to submit a pre-recorded video audition, also known as a self-tape. Here are a few tips on how to nail your AMDA video audition. Remember, the most important aspect of your audition video is your performance. But getting these next technical details right can help show us that you are ready for a performing arts college. First off, a few reminders. 1. You must be a junior or senior in high school or a high school graduate for your audition to be considered for AMDA's college-level programs. 2. All audition material, including songs, must be performed in English. Your phone is a perfectly good way to record your audition, and it's incredibly convenient. If you happen to have higher-end video equipment, go for it. Film in landscape, not portrait. For actors and singers, frame yourself with a head and shoulder shot. Don't leave any big empty spaces around the frame. Dancers can slate in a close-up, but will need to have your entire body, from head to toe, in frame during your dance. Steady your phone or video camera with a tripod or prop it up against something solid, or make your own DIY tripod. Make sure the lens is at eye level and not too low or too high. When performing, your eye line should be off to the side of the camera and not directly into the lens. If it helps your performance, ask a friend or family member to stand off camera and be your eye line.
Why did you act so cold when it's obvious that you knew about me before?
Choose a neutral background, like a blank wall. Avoid cluttered backdrops that distract from your performance. Be sure to have light on the front of your face. Natural lighting from a window can work well, or use a soft diffuse lamp or video lighting if you have it. Don't film with your back to the window, otherwise you'll appear as a silhouette.
He doesn't like cats. I don't know why.
Of course, the room needs to be relatively quiet without any distracting background noise. Once you're ready, run a quick test and make sure you can see and hear yourself clearly. So now that you're set to begin your performance, you'll need to start with a slate, where you introduce yourself and let us know what you're auditioning for. Start your recording device and state your full name,
Hello, I'm Ladarius White.
the city and country where you live,
City, Texas.
the date you're recording your audition,
27.
the program for which you're applying,
The acting
the
program.
titles and the pieces you'll be performing.
With a scene from Limbo.
Now let's talk about the performance requirements for each discipline. Actors, please prepare 2 contrasting monologues that are 60 to 90 seconds in length. Monologues should demonstrate a connection to the character's emotional life, vocal clarity, clear physical choices, and a solid understanding of the text. Please select age-appropriate material and avoid monologues where the character is much older or much younger than you. Do the same amount of script and character preparation you would do if you were auditioning for a part. For musical theater applicants, please prepare 60 to 90 seconds or 32 bars of a song from musical theater or pop contemporary repertoire and a 60 to 90 second monologue. The song selection should demonstrate engaged storytelling performed with proficient pitch, tone, diction, and vocal clarity. Please use a live or taped accompaniment. The monologue selection, just like for the actor, should demonstrate a connection to the character's emotional life, clear physical choices, and an understanding of the text. For those applicants that need support with audition monologue or song suggestions, we have more pointers on our audition page on the AMDA website. Dance theater applicants, please prepare 2 contrasting dance solos. Each solo approximately 60 seconds in length. Styles may include ballet, contemporary ballet, jazz, modern, tap, ballroom, hip-hop, dance theater, world dance, or contemporary. One last thing for dancers. They have the option of also adding a 60 to 90 second monologue or song to their video audition. We strongly encourage all dance applicants to submit this additional material. For the applicant applying to the Performing Arts program, AMDA provides training across various performing arts disciplines, allowing for increased flexibility in coursework choices. However, students must select a focus of study in acting, music theater, or dance theater and audition using the requirements of that focus. Finally, when you're finished with your performance, please announce that you have reached the end of your submission, restate your name,
Thank you so much. I'm Ladarius White.
and stop your recording device. Be sure to take a moment to check that everything worked and that the sound and image are good. Do several takes if you need to and pick the best one. If you'd like to do some editing, such as transitions or title cards, there's free, easy-to-use editing software available for virtually all devices. When your video audition is complete, upload your video to YouTube. Title it with your name, date, and the program you're auditioning for. If you're concerned about your privacy, you may change the privacy of your video to unlisted. Do not set the video to private, as this will make your video visible to only you. Copy the URL address for your video and navigate to our amda.edu video audition page. Complete the form at the bottom of the page, paste your video link, and hit submit. That's it. We hope this video helped you nail your AMDA audition. We look forward to seeing your submission. If you still have questions or would like to speak to someone from our team to help guide you through the video submission process, please give us a call and we'd be happy to help. Thank you so much, and happy taping!